Hey everybody, Yasu from Greece. Hope your Thanksgiving meal is going well. Hopefully somebody will get this video and you guys can show it to the rest of the family. Everything here in Greece is going pretty good. The weather is it's pretty warm. It's 60, 65. It's much warmer than it is in Massachusetts now. We are having a Thanksgiving meal today, so we are still having our good old American Thanksgiving, if you want to call it American. It's being cooked by Greeks. Greeks aren't really good at cooking, in my opinion, so it'll be interesting to see how it turns out. There's going to be the turkey, the stuffing, mashed potatoes, pumpkin pie, but we'll see how it is. It's not going to be like the home Thanksgiving meals that we get in Bucky's house. I believe it's this year. There's no roasted pig like I hear you're having. Jennifer told me that. Even though me and Jennifer aren't going to be there this year, I'm sure you guys will have a great time. Hopefully the food's really good. I'm really jealous that I'm not having pig. I'll be home soon, December 15th. Um, and just a shout out to Michelle, Rosemary, Peter, Caroline, Andrew, Locke, and Fook. Hopefully all of you guys have a great Thanksgiving together. And it's sad that I'm not going to be seeing the annual movie and playing cards, but hey, the things you do to be in Greece. So happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys all have a good one. See you on December 15th.